Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. This video on today is sort of a long time coming. I ordered from Juvia's Place during the Black Friday sale. And so 2 days ago, okay, wait, today is January the 2nd. So 3 days ago, I finally received my package over a month later. Now, I did get a email from them letting me know that there was an inventory shortage, and as a result, my order was affected by it. So I did finally receive it. Now, I want to share this along with giveaway information because this was actually supposed to be in the giveaway, okay? And we're going to talk about that in a little bit as well, okay? So let's just jump in and see what was in the box, okay? So I open up the box and the first thing that I pull out is my order form. And it says date of order. 11/26, 11/26, y'all, and I received it 32 days later. Okay, I'm just saying, but nonetheless, so the first item that I received, this is something that I actually ordered for myself, and it is the Juvia's Place concealer. Now, this sale was fantastic. I just want you to know that. The regular price on these is $14. So let's just see what they were about, okay? So this one is the Magic Concealer in 16. Oh, they both are. Okay, 16. So you can see what 16 looks like. And then you can also see what 16 looks like on me, okay? This is 16. This looks really, really light. I mean, I did want it for under eye, but this looks really light, and I may not get to be the one to use it, but let's just see. Oh, it's not as bad as what I thought, but it is still rather light, okay? So this is what 16 looks like. Okay, now please take into consideration before you say, oh my God, you're going to look ghostly, that my hands are a lot lighter than my face, okay? So it won't be as bad on here, okay? So that's the first item. Then the second item, the bronzed lipsticks, okay? And this is what the bronze lipstick trio looks like, okay? Now, these are the minis. The shades that are in this mini trio are bronzed maple, bronzed chestnut, and bronzed toast. Okay? And these are liquid lipsticks. So let's just swatch them and see. Okay, starting from the top, this is the bronze chestnut, this is maple, and this is toast. They're beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And it was only one stroke. That was it. I didn't, go back in and build it. Not at all. That's just one stroke. Okay? So I got to be real careful because it's not dry yet. So I definitely don't want to get it all over my clothes. Okay? The rest of the products, okay, are from the mystery bag for the month of November. We didn't have one for December because it took so long for this one to come in. Hopefully there will be a January so that we can get that. All right. Now, I ordered two. One for me and one for you. Okay, so let's just check it out. It looks like everything is either going to be given away in the giveaway, or some kind of way someone else is going to get it, because I have these and I do have backups as well. Okay, now let me just say before we get into these, this is the risk that you run when you get a mystery bag or box. Okay, you may end up with items that you already have or were in a previous mystery box. I'm not all that crazy about that, but nonetheless. Okay, so the first item in the mystery bag is the Nubian by Juvia's, and this is the loose highlighter, and this is in the shade Cleo. Okay, now can you see that? Okay, now I can't show you what mine looks like because I just gave it away. All right, but nonetheless, there are two in here. Okay, and they are both Cleo. All right, so that's the first item. Okay, then the second item are these beautiful red lipsticks. Okay, this is the C'est La Vie. Okay, that is the shade, and this is the Juvia's liquid lipstick, and it's a part of the I Live I Love line. And I'm going to show you exactly what this shade looks like. This is mine. Here are the other two. Okay, this is what the inside packaging looks like. And this one on the bottom is that shade, and it is gorgeous. I love this shade of lipstick. The lip liner that goes with it. Okay, that was not part of the mystery box. Okay, but this is what the liner itself looks like, just in case you wanted to know. And whoever gets this, if you would like to get the liner so you know what it looks like. Okay, now the palette that came in the mystery box is the Magic Mini by Juvia's. See, so I have two of those. Now let me show you what the shades look like. Okay, now that is the Magic Mini is a 16 pan palette, and these are the shades, and they are beautiful, and they are extremely pigmented, and they last so very long. Okay, so I want you to have the opportunity to see exactly what they look like. Okay, so this is the last item in that mystery box, which of course at least one of them will be in the giveaways, a giveaway coming soon. Okay, so, and that would be a lipstick, a palette, and a loose highlighter. Okay, that's for sure. Okay, so now let's just skip ahead. All right, let's talk about the last giveaway of 2022. Okay, now there is no winner. The items that came in, this will be either be an additional giveaway or added to the other two in the last giveaway. Okay, so that was the only reason. Now the one answer that everybody did get correct was my birthday. And by the way, if you'd like to see what I did on my birthday, which was a gift to me from my children and my husband, I'll link that video right up here. It's not very long. I didn't do a vlog. I just showed you some of the magnificent items from Van Gogh. If you are a Van Gogh fan, if you've never heard of Van Gogh, if you've only seen a couple of his beautiful pieces, please watch it. Okay. I could not record it all because it's trademarked and things like that. So they'll allow you to take pictures, but they would not allow you to video the entire event. Okay. But I had VIP passes to this. It was amazing. And then to top it off, my husband and I went to dinner. This place was amazing. Very upscale soul food restaurant. Check it out. Okay. So, but nonetheless, I just wanted to share these items with you today and let you know about that giveaway. So what's going to happen in its place. Okay. So we'll see whatever the next giveaway is that's scheduled or unscheduled, or just a random, just feel like doing a giveaway. You never know what it might be. Okay. So I am very transparent about me. Okay. So the questions that I ask, they aren't, things that you probably would never guess. No, not at all. And the other thing, I guess nobody really read it all, was to just share the video about the class action lawsuit that is now going on. You don't even know if you could possibly be a part of it. Look, things have happened. We need to hold those makers accountable, okay? That's all I'm saying. I'm not telling you to be an ambulance chaser or anything like that. No, things have happened to us as a result of those products, and we were not given the details. So I'm just saying to you, check out the video for yourself, okay? Now, I just want to let you know, first of all, Happy New Year. This is now 2023. We have some really exciting things coming up. I actually have an interview with an exotic dancer. How about that? Okay. Well, she says she's an entertainer is what she is called. Okay. So be on the lookout for that. Okay. If you have a question that you would like answered, you can go ahead and send it to me. I'll make sure that I add it to my list of questions for her. Okay? Well, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our JUVIA'S Place Black Friday shopping deal. Okay, these are those items that are included, and I already let you know what the total is down below, but I will post it again. Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.